Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can log in into your online banking account of Wells Fargo. So in order to log in into your online banking account of Wells Fargo, all you have to do is just make sure that you already have an account and that you're connected to an internet service. Now then, to begin with, first thing first, you need to go ahead and open up a web browser. In my case, I'm using a web browser. You can also use an application, whichever is convenient for you. So go ahead and type in wellsfargo.com, and that's going to take you to the official web page. So over here, just go ahead and tap on the link, and here you need to go ahead and tap on sign on in order to get started. Tap on the try bar icon. So right on this page, you need to go ahead and tap on sign on in order to sign in into your account, and just go ahead and tap on continue to sign on, and then you need to enter in the information such as your username and then a password. If you're sure about it, then click on the sign on button, and if you're unable to log in because of your incorrect information, then you can try changing your password or username, and that might be able to fix the issue. So in this way, you can log in into your Wells Fargo account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.